Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. DeAndrea Douglas here, aka I am Sunny D. Tis the season for protective styling, kinda, sorta, because you can protective style whenever you want. I personally like to protective style all year long because I want my hair to grow longer. So I was getting kind of bored with my go-tos, so I wanted to try something different, hence this look here. And as I was doing it, I just found it was so easy to do that I thought I would film it and show you what's going on. Let's get into it. Alright, to do this style, there are a few things you're going to need. First, you're going to need some clips to keep your hair out of the way. You'll need a crochet hook. You'll need some rubber bands. Moisturizer. You don't have to use this one in particular, but you need to make sure that your hair is moisturized because it is a protective style. Gel. And crochet hair. I use Bohemian Braid 20-inch in the shade number 2 and 30. Okay, so we're actually about to start doing things, but first, make sure you subscribe to my channel and that you tap the little bell icon to turn on notifications. That way, you'll know when the next video is uploaded. So I've taken all the hair out of the pack. You take out one section. It's pretty easy. They come apart really easily. You take one piece, flip it to the end, kind of roll it in your fingers a little bit until it starts to split apart, and then pull it as far as you can without splitting the whole thing into two. Once you get almost toward the middle, flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. You can also rub it back and forth between your fingers. You basically just want to give the hair a little bit more texture. So I did this to about half the pack of hair. Over there on the left is the untouched straight out of the pack hair, and on the right is the texturized hair, I guess. For my entire head, I used 4 packs of the shade number 2 and just over 1 pack of shade 30. Now to make the twist, you'll take 2 pieces of the texturized crochet hair. And then since I like my hair to be longer, I basically step the 2 pieces so they're not overlapping each other exactly. So one end on each of the pieces is going to be longer than the other ends, just like this. Now you'll take those 2 pieces right in the middle and kind of twist them on each other. That just makes it easier to slip onto the crochet hook. Now I've already done part of my hair, obviously, but I figured this is a decent angle for me to show you what I'm doing. I did this on blown out hair. It's a lot easier to blend it with a much silkier and more ringlet texture because my hair is definitely kinky coily. I made the smaller sections of my hair all at once. It's just faster for me to work through it. You can do what you want though. So you take out one section, you take your hair that's twisted around itself and loop it around one finger. It's easier with my index finger, but I've seen people do it with others. You take your crochet hook, opened, and slide it underneath the rubber band. Drop the hair onto the hook and close it. Pull it underneath the rubber band, just enough for you to get your thumb through. Hold one side of the hair in place and then pull the other end all the way out. You should be able to pull it back and forth underneath the rubber band. Then you take some moisturizer and smooth it all over that section of hair. Make sure you get the ends. And then some gel and smooth that on there too. Split the hair into 2 sections. Pretty even sections if you can. Then with those 2 pieces of your hair, you merge them with the 2 pieces of extension hair and then twist down. Once one side starts to look significantly shorter than the other, you just break it up some more. And then you take part of the short side and part of the long side and basically repart those 2. So now you have 2 even sections and you just twist them all the way down. Once you get almost to the end, and you'll know because the pieces are really, really thin, and it's okay if a piece sticks out like that, you won't be able to notice it in your hair at all. You just take a little bit more gel and twist those 2 pieces around your finger at the end, and you're done. Alrighty, so let's do this one more time, and this time with the colored hair. I basically take one piece of one color and one piece of another, twist around itself, same old same. Put the crochet hook underneath the rubber band, drop the hair onto the hook, close the hook, pull the hook through, put your finger through the loop, and pull one side of the crochet hair out. Add moisturizer, then gel. Split your section into 2 pieces, merge them with the extension hair, and twist all the way down. Now this should be a little bit easier to see with 2 different colors. So you just break up those end pieces just a bit. Take a little bit from each of the longer sections, merge them together, and keep twisting. So you have 2 pretty even pieces now. You can absolutely split the pieces again if you need to, and keep twisting. Once you get to the end or pretty close to it, you can just twist the pieces around your finger to kind of lock them in place, and you're done. I don't know exactly how long this look took me to put together because I kind of installed them over 3 days. But if I had to give it a ballpark, I would say it was probably about 11 hours if I'm being honest, because I did them so small. So if you make them a little bit bigger, it probably won't take you as much time. Do you like my makeup? I normally don't do too many smoky eyes on my channel or in life in general, so I'm kind of on the fence about it. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like eye makeup looks, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I try to post at least one eye look every single day because eye makeup is just so much fun to me. I just could literally play in my eyeshadows all day long. And since you're here and you've made it this far, go ahead and check out another video. It's queued up and ready to go right over there. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next thing I have coming up. And I will see each and every one of you in the next video, which is that one. Have a good one. Bye.